irresponsible and a violation of law that hampers girl education, protection, health and development and prevent them from realizing their dreams. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage, ensure that no child marriage
Ensure that no child marriage take place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Report any attempt.
Child marriage is a social evil and a violation of law that hampers girls' education, protection, health and development, and prevents them from realizing their dreams. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage.
So child marriage is a persistent social evil that not only Meghalaya but entire India is struggling with. Ministry of Women and Child Development (MWCD) last year started a campaign called Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat, which is Child Marriage Free India. And 27 November is the date on which it was launched. And this year, we all departments and many other community level leaders took a pledge for making Bhoi district a child marriage free society. FXB India Suraksha is an organization that is working in different villages of Meghalaya, of Bhoi especially, and is basically and is working side by side with district administration to try and eradicate this social evil from our society. As far as district administration is concerned, we have partnered up with them simultaneously from every platform that we get to interact with the community. We are continuously emphasizing on this message that child marriage is not only a social evil, but it's actually a theft. It's a theft of freedom, it's a theft of potential, it's a theft of childhood, and it robs the child of all the infinite potential that he or she could have achieved. So it's something that the entire society has to come together. It's the moral responsibility, in fact, of the entire society that it has to come together and try and help in whatsoever manner possible to eradicate this social evil.